Put a sanitary towel on your shoes and the result will drive you crazy. Many people are trying this trick and they are showing it to all their relatives. Doing this is very simple. First, take a sanitary towel and put it inside your shoe. What this will do is that if your feet sweat a lot when you wear shoes, if you suffer from athlete's foot, or if your feet always have a bad smell every time you use your shoes, just by putting a sanitary towel on them, you will be able to solve all those problems. In addition to this, putting a towel can also help you adjust your feet inside the shoe if they are too big. Another way you can use the sanitary towel on your shoes is to prevent scratches or injuries in this part of the foot. All you have to do is cut an end of the sanitary towel. Then you put it on this part of your shoe. In this way, you will be able to create a sponge that will prevent injuries in your feet, which are usually caused by the constant friction of the shoes in the area. This is a very economical and ingenious way to solve that problem, since with this, your feet will never again be injured by shoes. And if you have shoes that already smell very bad and you don't know what to do to get rid of the bad smell, don't worry, since you can restore them using only 2 tea bags. What you will do is the following. At night or just when you get home and take off your shoes, place a tea bag on both shoes. Then you leave it to act until the next day or for about 8 hours. In this way, the tea bags will absorb all the bad smell from your shoes and they will smell like new. And if you want to get double the benefit by eliminating the bad smell from your shoes and receiving therapy in the soles of your feet, you just have to put your feet in the shoes next to the bags. By doing this, you will receive therapy with these tea leaves and your feet will thank you. And if you don't have tea bags, you can do this trick with the sanitary towel, since it can help you eliminate the bad smell from your shoes. All you have to do is cut 2 pieces at each end of the sanitary towel. We will add a little softener for clothes. And half a tablespoon of baking soda. Then we will place these flavored pieces on each shoe and let it act there all night in this way. In addition to eliminating the bad smell from your shoes will have a rich lavender aroma, since the bicarbonate in sanitary towels helps to preserve all this rich aroma inside the shoes. As a final gift, I will teach you a trick that you can use if you have shoes that you like a lot, but you almost don't wear them because they squeeze you. To loosen them a little, all you have to do is use a teapot or a steam iron and pass it through the area of the toes of the shoes. Then you take the stick of the broom and press it. By doing this, the steam will loosen the rubber of the shoe a little, making it stretch. This trick is excellent to avoid those terrible pain in the fingers. Now I would like to know which of all these tricks of today was your favorite. And if this video was useful to you, make it reach all your friends and family.